Hello mga sangkay! Today we are going to the Dollar General. We're gonna get something to eat. What you want at Dollar General, JP? We're gonna get something that we don't have anymore. The milk, cereal, bread, and Oreo cookie. He's looking for it, and he was sad this morning because we don't have that anymore. So here we are. See you later, so guys. Here we are at the dollar store now. We're gonna get inside at the store. See, we're at the dollar store. See you inside, guys. We're here at dollar store. What are we gonna get here? This one? JP, which one? The bigger one size? What is that? Say, Chips Ahoy. Let's see, they're on sale.
Wanna green.
One with green.
Wanna green that.
Mint? The mint? They don't have any. Who wants the green one? Na, wala pa ko'y ligo. Maala ko sa tindahan.
And that one.
This is carrot.
Carrot
Yeah, this is carrot.
one.
Look, they have another flavor than other chocolate. I want carrot. So can I get a carrot? Yeah, they have some. Okay.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
What else? What's in the list? Let me see. Oh, you forgot the list in the other coat. Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms.
We're gonna get some Lucky Charms, guys.
This lucky. This cereal blade.
Kilo.
I see it.
It's not that one. It's this one. See, guys. It's what he wants. $3 for $6.
I see it.
Kilo
I see it.
and
I see it.
assorted varieties. I see it too.
Right here.
What? General meals. See?
I want
That's what he wants.
more. I want blue. That's my favorite guy.
The blue one. Okay. And Mama's favorite is this one. This is my favorite one.
That one my favorite too.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is my favorite. I'm gonna get this one.
Yes,
This
I
is
know
my
what
favorite.
that one.
Which one? I don't like that one.
Oh,
And we're
I
gonna get
like
some milk.
milk.
Yeah, we're gonna get some milk. There we are.
Not that one. Not that one.
There you go.
Wow,
Milk, real milk. And we're gonna get what we gonna get?
Bread. Bread.
A bread. Yeah, we forget the bread. We want some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Look, they have 40% off of ice cream. Remove the worst.
That one.
Which one?
Green one. No. That one.
This one too. It's same one. I like the vanilla.
And that one.
I like the vanilla. The sour patch.
I want
Which
that
one? That's that one is he wants the mint, but that one is we don't have a ice cream cone. We just get the drumstick, the one right here, the ice cream cone. It's locked. Oh, where's the bread? Oh, now we're looking for a bread. This one. Here you go. But I want the nature own bread. Daddy likes this one. You like this one, right? And I like them. I like the whole way red. Hello guys, we're back. We're in the car. We're heading home now, and it's raining outside really bad. That's why I'm wearing this kind of jacket. And see you later. Bye mga sangkay. Si bye mga sangkay.
Kaya sometimes.
Bye mga sangkay. Hello guys. Now we're home.